OpenAI just published the clearest evidence yet that AI agents are moving past chat. In May 2026, 25.6% of sampled Codex users had delegated at least one task estimated to take a human more than 8 hours. For the last several years, the standard interaction with AI has been conversational. You provided a prompt, the system generated a response, and the exchange was finished in seconds. A report from researchers at OpenAI, Columbia, Duke, and UPenn, titled The Shift to Agentic AI, Evidence from Codex, provides a look at how those habits are changing within specific technical populations. This chart shows active users of OpenAI's Codex tool. In the first half of 2026, that user base grew more than 5-fold. The behavioral logs within the report suggest a move away from simple queries. Users are instead assigning entire blocks of technical labor to the model. This shift suggests that interactive search is being superseded by assigning and executing long-form labor. To understand the mechanics of this delegation, the study looks at individual user habits within the Codex ecosystem. This bar chart breaks down the timescale of the tasks being handed off. The first tier shows that 80.6% of sampled users delegated at least one request estimated to take a human more than 30 minutes to complete. Moving to the second tier, we see that 70.2% of users handed off tasks that would require over a full hour of focused human effort. Finally, 25.6% of users are now delegating tasks that exceed the length of a standard 8-hour human workday. The report describes this behavior as macro-tasking. This occurs when a user defines a complex objective, initiates the process, and allows the system to work through the execution independently. Because the system can now maintain context and memory over these multi-hour runs, it functions as a macro-task executor, handling production independently of the user. Managing these longer tasks is often paired with parallel processing, where users oversee multiple simultaneous workstreams. This dashboard visualizes the workflow of a power user. According to the report, more than 10% of users are consistently managing 3 or more concurrent Codex agents every week. These users rely on skills, a feature that allows them to share complex instructions and standard operating procedures across all their concurrent agents. To understand these findings properly, we have to look at the specific scientific boundaries of the study. The sample population is limited to early adopter Codex users and OpenAI staff. This data represents a specific subset of technical workers, rather than the global workforce at large. Additionally, the task duration metrics are model-based estimates of required human effort. They are not a direct measurement of the computer processing time used by the AI. Within those parameters, the dataset provides a map for how knowledge work is being reorganized in high-intensity technical environments. For organizational leaders, these usage patterns signal a transition in how technical teams and workflows are managed. The focus is moving from prompt engineering, the art of getting a single better answer, toward the logistics of autonomous delegation. This graphic shows the volume of output this shift enables. By June 2026, the median researcher in the study was generating 50 times more monthly output tokens than they were just a few months prior. With the system handling multi-hour tasks, the primary business constraint moves from execution speed to the quality of human orchestration and review. Managers are having to adopt new frameworks for advanced delegation, rigorous output review, and the management of parallel work streams. The agent shift occurs when work is handed off. Faster answers are secondary.